Hello, viewers. Namaste. I, Kripa from Kids Intelligence, hereby heartily welcome you all to the Superhero Fame Show. Kids Intelligence is a supportive educational institute committed for students' brain development through various training programs. The foundation of this institute was laid by Mrs. Shubhada Bhave, who herself is a young entrepreneur, an educationist, as well as a nurturing mother. Kids Intelligence is a government recognized institute which was commenced in the year 2009 with 7 students and 1 teacher in Mumbai. But today, Kids Intelligence has reached its epitome by providing employment to 30 plus teachers and team members through the service to students and parents. Kids Intelligence is spread over 30 plus countries worldwide by its efficient process in helping kids enhance their mental abilities through Abacus education. Kids Intelligence has now become a family of thousands of students, parents, teachers, and team members. Now, to proceed further with the Superhero Fame Show, let us welcome the superhero of the show, Sharanya Mulik. Welcome, Sharanya Mulik, and welcome, parent of Sharanya. Sharanya, how do you feel today after coming to the show and becoming superhero of the show?
I'm very glad for that.
Okay. And which level of Vedic maths you are appearing for?
Now I'm appearing for level 2 and I have completed the level 1.
Okay. So how was your experience so far with Vedic mathematics?
It was good. It helped me in many of the exams like scholarship and school exams. Like we can use the shortcuts and do it very fast.
Okay. So according to you, you feel that your academic performance has gone up while practicing Vedic mathematics?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome, Mrs. Mulik, to the show. How do you feel of becoming the parent of superhero?
It's a very nice feeling.
Okay, so as Sharanya said that she has completed 1 level of Vedic maths. So according to you as a parent, how do you feel about her performance and her academic?
It's really good because she had completed Vedic maths level 1, and we were searching for Vedic maths only, and we were not finding out any courses nearby us. That time we got to know about this online course, so we have enrolled, and she is really good, doing good in maths with the help of Vedic.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so as per you, as you said that she has been doing this online. So the entire training she has taken online?
Yes.
Okay. So how was your experience while learning it online? Did you feel comfort or discomfort?
Yeah, my teacher was very friendly, so I never feel discomfort.
Okay. So ma'am, so far, whatever her efforts that she has put in as a child. So now I would like to know about your efforts as a parent. How many efforts did you put in for the academic appraisal of your child?
Yeah. Related to this Vedic maths or overall?
Related to Vedic maths as well as the academic studies.
The first and foremost, Sharanya herself has her own inclination towards the study. So she likes to study the new things. So when we thought of enrolling her for an Vedic maths, she herself was very excited, and we as a parent we pushed for it. Means we pay the fees, we try to adjust everything. Then we had a talk with the teacher to adjust the timings and all that. But after that, whatever the things I have done, that is the Sharanya is doing. She is managing her own thing with a meeting request. At this time, I am having an classes. She coordinates with the teacher and everything. So this is our combined thing because I am also working. So she has to take care of herself only, her own thing. So we are doing in the very mutual, doing with a mutual understanding.
Okay. That's really appreciable, ma'am, the efforts that you have put in as a working parent and taking care of your child as well as appraising her entire academic performance. So that is a really appreciable efforts that you are putting in. So, ma'am, I would like to know about the struggle, I can say, that you are going through in the academic, teaching and learning process of Sharanya. like when she joined the Vedic maths classes, that was, as you said, that she's attending it online, and you are a working parent. So, as a working parent and as a child who is at home all alone, so how do you manage with the entire struggle, the entire process?
The thing is, my mobile number is registered with the ma'am who is teaching the Vedic maths to her. So only the thing I have to coordinate whenever she is having an lecture. So I have to coordinate from office to home with her grandparents and all that, and provide the link. The ma'am is saying this. If there is any delay, then I am the mediator who are conveying. That's the only struggle which I am facing. Otherwise, ma'am and Sharan has a good bonding and the relation. So they are means whatever is there, it's between them only. So
Okay.
sometimes whenever I'm in office, that time only the coordination issue comes.
Hats off to you as a parent that you manage so many things and still your child is achieving a good level of education. So hats off to you, ma'am. Okay, so now I would like to ask you that earlier during our time, we never had such kind of extracurricular activities or extracurricular academics. So, according to you, in the before times and now, the technological time that our children are going through. So, what changes do you feel are on the positive side and the negative side?
Yes, there are the positive effects only what we are seeing. At our times, we have never heard the word like abacus, Vedic maths, and there is nothing extra what we are doing. So only schooling, that's the only thing.
Exactly.
So nowadays,
Right.
these children are having these many sources where they can have their knowledge and they enhance the things. So it's good.
Okay.
And the online is again in the adding a cherry on the top, so that if we don't want to go
So
outside,
it has turned
it's
out to be a boon for you.
yes, it's definitely
Okay.
it's a saving time. Actually.
Great. Okay, so after joining these Vedic classes and the efforts of the expert Vedic teacher, how do you feel about the academic performance, Sharanya?
It was very good because before I used to face many problems in mathematics, but after joining Vedic maths, it never happened that because the teacher was even friendly. So even if I have any doubts, she could clear it at that moment.
Okay, so Sharanya, you as a student and your parent, how would you like to recommend this program or the course to your friends and the viewers?
Um, this course is available offline and online. So the
Okay.
students who can't go offline, they can do it online, and the teachers are very friendly, so they can be comfortable with the teachers, and it will also improve in the academic excellence.
So
Okay,
definitely it's
that's
a
really good.
recommendable course.
Good. Okay, so ma'am, Sharanya, as well as you, I would like to ask you one question is that your teacher, the expert teacher, a Vedic mathematics teacher, how was her effort in the entire course? And how, from your end, how many times a day or how many days in a week did you practice the course?
She had put almost all her efforts in me because it was all her hard work and effort because I was able to do the level one easily. And I used to practice like the course was once in a week, and I used to practice it 2 3 days for the
Okay.
homework and the revision. So it went very well.
Okay. So as per you, you feel that practice is more important.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And now the last thing is that there is a process like enrolling and then taking the classes online and then giving the exams online as well. So, how do you feel about the process? Did it go smooth with you?
If it is in rainy season, it never goes smoothly because of the internet issue. But otherwise,
Oh,
it's smooth.
okay. Okay. So, okay, ma'am. And now, Sharanya, thank you so much for the valuable feedback and your valuable time that you have given. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anything else that you would like to tell our viewers about the course or about the performance that your child has done?
It's a really nice course. So I will recommend to the viewers, please enroll your child for this, and go for the online, because it saves the time, because we know to drop our students to the school, then to classes, then with any other extra activities. So it's a very good online platform what we are having. So within once in a week, to enrolling a child for 1 hour in a week, we are adding some good qualities or a good learning in him. So it's really a definitely good course.
Okay. Okay, thank you, parent of Sharanya, Mulik, and thank you, Sharanya. Once again, congratulations for becoming superhero. Okay, thank you, viewers. Namaste.
Thank you.